to another Thoughts on Tech video. This time after a long break with the first informations about GoPro's next camera, the Hero 10. September is approaching fast, and that is the month when GoPro traditionally presents its new cameras. Just like last year, the Twitter user Roland Quandt from Berlin and related to the website winfuture.de released the first high-resolution photos of the new camera and its package. As far as we can see, the camera will be exactly the same on the outside, with exception to the blue accents on the GoPro logo and the model name printed on the equipment. This is a good thing in my opinion, because this way accessories bought last year, like the Media Mod or the Floaty, can still be used with the new model. The good news come printed on the camera's package, which is also very similar to last year's one. There is a new chip built in, the GP2. This new processor allows 5.3K video at 60 FPS, 4K at 120 and 2.7K at 240. This means 8 times slow motion with a 2.7K resolution. There is also a new sensor on board with 23 megapixels. The Euro 9 had a 20 megapixel sensor. There are no informations about launch or availability dates, nor about prices. For this, we will have to wait a little longer. I will try to keep you posted if I come across any new informations.